For the analysis of total solid, total suspended solid and total dissolved solids, first rinse the beaker thoroughly with DI water. Now place all the beakers inside the oven for drying. Make sure that there should be no particles inside the beaker and keep drying until all the water will get evaporated. After complete drying, remove the beaker from oven and place inside the desiccator until it reaches to room temperature. Further also desiccate the beakers completely until all the water or temperature will balance equal. Now take the desiccator inside the balance area and remove the cap of desiccator and take the initial weight of each beaker and record in the notebook. Kindly make sure that you should note down the weight until 4 digit of your balance. Now mix the sample thoroughly and measure record volume of test sample between 50 to 500 ml based on concentration or nature of the sample. Like for drinking water, you have to take more sample because quantity of solids are less in that, and for wastewater you have to take less sample because more quantity of solid are present in the wastewater. So based on nature of sample you have to take the sample volume. Maybe you can take 50 ml or 100 ml for wastewater, and for drinking water you can take from 250 ml to 500 ml. For the analysis of total solids in the wastewater sample, first take the sample directly without filtration into a pre-weighted beaker and place inside the oven for drying. For the analysis of total dissolved solids and total suspended solids, now here take pre-weighted Wattman number 41 filter paper and beaker. Kindly record the initial weight of the filter paper and the initial weight of beaker as per mentioned in the previous process, that is total solid. Again mix the sample thoroughly and place the filter paper inside the funnel above the tripod stand. Now here again measure the record volume of sample and filter the same through funnel using Wattman filter paper. Make sure that enough amount of total solid or total dissolved solid or total suspended solid must be present in the sample based on your sample volume. Wait until complete test sample passes through the filter paper. After filtration, remove the filter paper and place it inside the Petri dish. Now place both filter paper and filtrate sample inside the oven at 105 degrees centigrade for drying. After drying at 105 degrees centigrade, place the sample again at 180 degree for further drying. Now remove the samples from oven and place in a desiccator until room temperature achieves as mentioned earlier. After reaching room temperature, same step, take the final weight of filter paper and beaker and calculate the total suspended solid, total dissolved solid and total solid as per standard formula mentioned in the method.